Today we're going to talk about a three-step process to the email funnel. Starting at the top, the funnel is a process to walk your visitor through the top and end at the bottom. It's wide at the top and narrows toward the bottom. Maybe they saw a Facebook ad and maybe you made a Facebook post in your group. Maybe a TikTok video was shared to start the funnel. Basically, it's how they initially find you. You want to get their email to get them to go through deeper parts of the funnel. But how do you turn someone from prospect to buyer? You don't need a special tool, but an email marketing platform like MailChimp or Aweber, and then you will send out a series of 5 emails pre-written and scheduled to go out at certain times. Don't complicate it, as we'll go over it in a very simple way. Here's 3 elements to use, starting with number 1, add value. This is an additional piece of content, quote unquote, lead magnet, but we will get their email this way. We need to over-deliver. Over-delivering with more free value is the goal, like maybe an additional guide or PDF or something. So don't just start with the one thing. Give value and then compound it with more goodies that can over-deliver and give your visitor extra. Most folks give out the one free lead magnet, but you need to take it a step further. Imagine sharing a hidden blog only with the person that's now given you their email. It's relevant and interesting and adds value and also builds trust. You want to get them excited about being on your list. Number 2, establish authority. People will buy if you're an expert in your field and they actually believe what you're saying. If you are not perceived as an expert, others will have a hard time taking you seriously. Remember, they want results and want to follow those who carry weight behind their words. Can you help people solve a problem? Lead with that, but be transparent in the funnel. Have you ever been interviewed by a podcast? Maybe you've been interviewed on a TV show. Have you ever written or published any articles that have been used? Have you written a book? If you are a fitness instructor, maybe you have testimonies that you can share with your audience of those who had successful results. Put that in your email as an example, and then share with people your journey or progress, at best if you don't have any articles to show testimonies from students, etc. Why? Because it shows authority and you have something to share they can be attracted to in creating authority. Here's a quick example. I was sick for 10 years, I ate badly, I spent a lot of trips to the hospital for what were very bad eating habits, but then that all changed when I joined this program. That's just a quick example, and it could be any program, but tell your story. So we're at number 3. But before we go any further, let's do a quick recap. 1, you need to add value. And then number 2, you need to create authority. And last, number 3, there needs to be a relevant offer for you to share that you have something for them that they want to buy, and otherwise you will lose your audience if you wait too long. So a long drawn out email could be just too long for more than a week process. For 2 weeks process, you got a week to really get to them and get your offer. The offer has to be relevant to your audience. Your lead magnet should match your offer. Make sure it's a product as a relevant offer and that it's good for people and that they'll understand it and will buy it based on what it will do for their lives. Always lead with the need. Well, that's it for this short video. What did you find the most interesting out of all the 3? Hopefully you'll go ahead and implement all these in your business. And if you'd like to learn more about building businesses online, be sure to check out other videos. And as always, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.